got Steve here out in Gainesville, Texas at the show Texoma F100 Roundup.
Yes.
I think I always want to mess it. I always want to say Texarkoma for some reason. That's weird, I know. Maybe because I'm Springfieldian and I'm not around Texas stuff. It is a beautiful day out here, and right here we're sitting on a beautiful truck, but you're actually building something else. What's the other one you're building real quick?
Building a 71 F100. Doing fat bands, front suspension, Mustang.
That's nice.
4-link rear with the Explorer 8.8 rear end.
Are you okay with 4-link rear? Because then you can't really haul anything. You're not planning on hauling anything?
No,
with that truck?
these trucks are retired, so
That's kind of how I think. Yeah, I like that.
I have a work truck, so.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, what is the truck you're sitting here? Is
This is a 69.
69, and you got it from where?
Got this truck from Brian Pope in Smyrna, Tennessee. Pope's Hotrods.
It was pretty much done the way you wanted it. Did you do anything fancy to it?
Pretty much. I put a 5-speed in it since I got it from him.
Which 5-speed?
Put a TKO 600.
Nice. Everyone does T5s and stuff, but I feel like you can do it. You can do it.
I bought it everything from American Powertrain. It was just a bolt-in thing, basically. Made it real simple.
That's cool. I like your tires, man.
Yeah,
It's actually a good idea. I never thought to wrap the freaking Ford thing around it. And I like your cooler too.
yeah. Those are Amazon items. I need a spare. I like to drive the truck, so.
Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Well, hey, let's look at your television here. Come on, show it. Man, that is clean. These step things I've never seen before.
Yeah, those were on it when I bought it.
That's cool. Yeah, you can always tell. But what year did you say it was again?
It's a 69.
69, because about that time they started doing these reflectors and
Yes.
stuff, kind of pins it out, like, and then I think in the 70s they did one here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they started that in
Did it on
70.
it,
Did away with the side one.
Well, tell us about your wheels right here.
The wheels are American Racing, just from the custom shop.
And those are 5-on-5.5 or whatever?
Those are 5-on-5.
And you can get those
5-on-5.5.
5-on-5.
You can, if you go through the custom shop, you can get them pretty much whatever backspace you want, and wheel.
I like your. Is that a 9-inch, right?
It's a 9-inch.
Is that an axle flip? Looks like. Yeah,
Yes.
it is. That's cool. Do you like it? It still rides well.
Still rides great.
That's cool. Do you mind if I open up the?
No, go ahead.
Tell me about the interior.
The interior is pretty much stock. It was like that when I bought it.
I like that stereo system thing.
Yeah, that's it. Hey,
The sound of the
Yeah,
Bluetooth speaker, right?
yeah,
That works
that's
better
it.
than
That's
some
all I
stereo
need. Yes,
systems.
exactly. I can get all the good songs anyway.
Did
What
you
I
have
think's good.
Did you have a hard time finding that shifter?
No,
Fit that seat?
no, that all came from American Powertrain.
You know, is this an original Ranger? Focus in on that Ranger spot right there.
It is.
Yeah, that's cool. Mine came as a Ranger too, but I don't have a fancy chrome on the sides and stuff like that. It's really nice, man. So are you rocking any AC?
I
You're
have
doing
AC.
Texas, you do?
I have AC and power steering that I bought from a guy in Oklahoma. I haven't got it installed yet, so I have all the factory stuff. So, yeah.
I like this chrome piece right here, and I love the black on chrome accents, and I'm really glad that you have that. When I see those, I'm like, oh, I want one. So I just want, like, sometimes people take them all off, because they did on my truck. And I like that people are keeping them on, shining them up.
Yeah,
Are they reproducing those probably?
they're reproducing most of the moldings. Dennis Carpenter. I don't know what you call the ones over the door there.
Yeah,
those were only when I got it, but on the truck I'm building, it doesn't have them, but I like them. The window crack,
Well,
air in there. So.
see, I don't have AC in my truck, but just go fast enough. It's nice and cool, Plus, you can always
it's coming.
You can always crack that vent.
Exactly.
It says 390 on the side. Do you have a 390? Wow. And you got front stock disc brakes. And then, is that? Actually, that looks like stock.
Brian probably put those on there.
And I looked underneath there. You still have twin IBs, but it looks like they're custom lowers.
It's
twin IBs.
chassis tech.
Chassis tech. Okay. Yeah, let's see the engine. Actually, hold on one second. Look at this. He did like a flat black on this. Can you get a good shot of that? And why'd you do that? Is there a cool story behind that?
Yeah, the cat jumped up there and scratched it, so I had to do something with it.
It's funny how one bad thing can turn into a good thing. I really like it. It's subtle, and then it also sort of sets them apart from the rest. It's really cool. All right, I'm ready for that engine.
It's nothing special.
Oh, that's
stock. So.
That is awesome. 392 valve. Is there anything done to the motor? Is that stock?
No. Bone stock.
Sometimes stock is best. I like that. See, this is something cool that isn't always there, is the brackets and stuff that holds the jack on. I mean, people take those away and throw them away, and
that's
now they're a rare thing, you know?
That's actually out of a 2010. So
really?
The jack that was in here wouldn't work.
It usually sits right here, but I've never seen one like that. Okay, well that explains it.
I put that in a few days ago. I didn't.
Well, you need
I didn't want to get stranded without it. So we do drive the truck, so
that's really cool. That is awesome. This is beautiful. These are really rare right here. To find those, the Ranger bezels. People just buy them and paint them, but it's really beautiful. Man, this is a beautiful truck.
I appreciate it. It's all that man.
Pope, yeah. Zoom in on Pope's hot rod real quick. That's cool. He did great work.
Give him a call. He's got a lot of trucks.
There you go. Well, hey man, thank you so much for letting me speak to it. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoy the truck. Talk to you later.